Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again at the gold market. So just we have said recently that market somehow shows too slow action to the downside, and even grabber has been formed here on Monday. This market has shown the fast acceleration down. So as a result, the 1223 area has been broken, so this fib level is not valid anymore, and we're watching for our major destination point in 1211. So this is, you can see, confidence support in the daily. Grabber has been erased by the price action. Market is not at oversold. The next support stands right here, and that is also will be the upper border of this sideways consolidation, so which will be really important. So it means that market, if it's really bullish, it probably should somehow hold here above this area and show the bounce. What the result of the bounce will be, either it will be real upward continuation, or it will be just a retracement before the compounding ABCD retracement. It's also possible. We will see. But odds suggest that this area 1211 will hold market for the immediate downside breakout and will trigger at least meaningful upside retracement. So that's what we'll be watching for in the nearest future on the gold market. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see the breakout of our consolidation. And first target of the butterfly has been hit. As you can see, 127, 12, 20 area. Minor pullback here has happened, retesting of this trend line, and market is continuing downside action. Now market stands very close to 1214. This is 1618, the ultimate extension of the butterfly. But still, guys, I think that market will gravitate right to 1211 area. In general, this 1211 is a bit wide area, because if you will draw the trend line based on the tops that we have, as you can see, it could be mostly as in the area between the 1205 1211, so it's rather wide. It's around confidence support, because here we also have different fib levels. So this one is based on this thrusting action, but here we also have the low that creates another important 12 or roughly 1205 1204 area. It's also create the wide confidence on the daily chart. So this level will be 1204 if we'll based it on these lows, and this confidence will be a bit wider. That's why we were mostly coming to an area, not just in the level. So it means that the first level that we need to watch for is 1211, but in general, something should happen somewhere inside of this range, 1205 1211. So here it's also kind of the thrusting action is developing. So if we will get a kind of the brand body trade or something of that sort, this will be very good. But currently on the 4-hour time frame chart, I do not see something really special. The one thing that we should mention is kind of the reversal swing is forming, because you can see the market is showing the lows that stand below this previous lows, so upward swing. It means that somehow the upward action, meaningful retracement here could happen, but where it will start currently is very difficult to say. Maybe it will happen when the market will hit the major support area. On the hourly chart, recently we haven't got any garbage triple to sell, but we've got the butterfly buy instead of that. So you can see market here has not continued to move higher as we discussed, but some immediate drop has happened. As you can see, first market hits the OP reaction. That was the reaction on the our trend line that we have discussed, and said maybe this could become the kind of the hand shoulders or something of that sort, but market has broken it immediately, and now market stands at the XOP. So it's suggesting some harmonic retracement. It seems that market could reach the 1221 area, or this pullback, or retracement will be smaller. So anyway, currently on the gold market, this downside retracement as major targets and support area has not been reached. I think that could be we could watch for some bearish continuation patterns. Maybe if Gartler's cheap to sell minor pattern will be formed here or something of that sort, it's possible for taking the short position in downward action to the 12.11 area. But around 12.11 will be a bit risky for taking any shorts, and it needs to be to wait a bit and see what will happen there, because it's some bullish reaction really could start there. So that's what we see on the gold market. As you can see, actually we don't have some clear and precise patterns that could let you take the position immediately, but just suggesting that market is gravitating to the major support area, and still $6-7 right to this level. It's with the aiming for retracement on the hourly chart and the bearing, for example, some bearish continuation pattern. I think that they could be used for taking position, scalp position, downside continuation to the 12.11 target. Speaking on for the daily traders, we're still sitting on the hands and waiting for hitting on the major support. That's the area, as I said, 12.05, 12.11, where we'll be watching for some bullish patterns. And if we will get any, we'll try to take the long position.